But him rude, him violate, me never call him name. And for him to send me all these texts, I call me bitch. Me that for comfort, come make the world know, sir, him me attack.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
So people just the other day, Lady Ann spoke out and tell her truth. And from what me can remember, and all I who will watch it too, would remember, we never hear Lady Ann call no name. But it look like say, Lady Ann chew her stone, and the pig where the stone was meant for, start to squeal. Because now Lady Ann go live again, and Lady Ann is addressing this. Lady Ann come out and she say, listen me talk my truth, me never call no name, but now this man here a call me. People, the brother who Lady Ann was actually addressing when she do her live, when she was talking about the things that when she got through as a young girl in the music business. Lady Ann said now the brother contact her, and I say, yo, him here say she go live and I accuse him of doing things. People, make we listen what Lady Ann attack say.
I come forth the other day and I said, when I was a teenager, I go through a lot of abuse in the music industry. I talk about the man who tried to get me when I come from the dance them. And I also talk about the engineer that's tried to get me inside a King Tubby's studio. Alright. When me do the live and talk about what I've been through, I never call anybody name. I never call anybody name. Okay, Friday me take my daughter back to college. Me take my daughter back to college. Me call from scientist, because I call him name now. Scientist call me and say, Ann, somebody send me a live where you talk about me. Me say, scientist, me never say me, because you never heard me. But now that you're on the phone, didn't you used to try to hold me down and feel me up in a Tubby's studio? Him say yes. Some say, so why are you calling me now? Why are we having this conversation? Him say, because him say, me read me and let him explain to me what it is. When my husband hear him say that, my husband say, hang up on the punk. So I hang up my phone on him. And I leave it at that. Okay, since evening I'm in here waiting for my friend to come pick me up so I could go pay some bill. I him that call. Lady and some scientists come off from that phone. Where you call me every minute, bo somebody send video to you and somebody send live to you. Nothing when we say about you no lie. Everything is true. So why are you keep calling me? Why are you keep antagonizing me? I me hang up my phone pan him. Who tell me if you go hang up my phone pan dirty Nazi scientists? Me have to text them people, but me don't know nothing about phone. So me go wait till either my daughter come over here, my son gone. When them come, me go make them take them off. And me go file, me go put for IG, me go put for Facebook, me put for everything, and me send to every blogger. The boy write me, send me text, you know? Me should have this scream, and me want dirty bitch. Why me never bar scream out? Ladies, when I'm gentlemen, gentle people, when me do the live, don't me did say me that make nice in the device room, but through him lock off the board, nobody couldn't hear me. Cause what he did before him come round, come adjust my headphone, he locked off the mic. So, and him lock off his sound, so no cure me a scream round there, nobody couldn't hear me. And I never used to talk about it because like me say me feel violated. Alright. I be a white Mary and I'm wear. See them, I lift up my clothes and show them. I be a them wear. Me have them by the dozen. And the reason for me to wear them, I don't have any breasts. In a them time, me with the young, me look up something them start to peep out. Me call them Bobby. Them they just start to peep out. And we had the man who hold me and squeeze a little thing them in my breast. It so hurt. My breast them tunted, them no grow no more. Him tunted my breast them no grow. Dirty nasty scientist, I do me a chat too. Him used to tear my panty off of me and push him under my pocket and smell it, that nasty bitch. And I talk about me smell good. The ladies, dirty nasty scientist, me not tell no lie pan ya. Come text me about me a bitch scientist. No scientist. And your mother the bitch. Yeah. You know why? Cause should I teach you say, you know, for molest young girls. You have to keep your hand to your side. She should have teach us enough for her try up, little girls. You must have sex with when it is given to you. I must feel when someone tell you to feel. Me never call if you come feel me up. You supposed to have just made phone. Every time if you go in the studio for record a session, scientists you molest me. Scientists you feel me up and squeeze up me little bobby them till them taunted. You dirty nasty brown or whatever your name is. I know you're going to let me tell a lie on you. Me not tell a lie on you, son. One time I said to you, say, why you keep molesting me? You said Toby say, you know, for trouble film daughter Annette. I didn't even know that Toby's have a daughter named Annette. You said Toby say, you know, for trouble him daughter named Annette. Say Annette, they are she for got trouble. And you take a set for me. That's when I tell me I wonder, because the studio, Toby's place is full of camera. Me I wonder if Toby's a watch up on the camera and molest me. Me don't wonder that. That me just never like him in my heart. Me I say a big line like that. I encourage you to molest me. As a little girl. Not even that me never talk scientist. When me I talk, me never talk, so you say that. You used to violate me, used to make me feel like shit. You used to let me sit down and cry. You make me can't have sex in peace. Scientist, so we are talk about? Dirty nasty scientist, what are you talking about? I never, yes, I'm a birthday party in March 2016, a year or 2 years ago. I did call a name. When I called Sammy Dread for come talk about my child, or contribute to my business, but say when dirty scientists did I try me. Scientists, me never say me. Me never say, scientists say me. You didn't come in my backyard now, come start the engineer work. You didn't come at Channel 1 studio no scientist yet tap it that blow off. Yeah, come my backyard up. And you never ever get away with it. When it start work at any on a Toby's, me attack on the live, I tell you say, you head tap it that blow off. When you come at Channel 1, come start work, and my backyard that you come. And my playground that you come. Scientists, you make me not a brace. Because you used to hold me and squeeze up little thing them down my bobby. And then taunted and never grow again. Them never bother grow. Because of you. Nasty scientists. When you come for the life no scientist, somebody tag him now. When you don't know him number, I live in California, when you tag him now. Tag him. And ladies and gentlemen, you know what him do me? Some people he want a show for me and him get my number from Jalife. And call me for the show. Right? And the people make him send the money to him for putting on my account. Him not only rob $100 out of the money. When me there at the hotel no, cause him look about everything. Cause me plan for come me again, but him the thing say me a little fool little girl. Him never know say me get big and dangerous now. When me go to California, him they get the to do everything. Me don't remember California or San Diego, one of them. And me got him did give me the hotel key and everything, cause him them go through. Cause him them go through for find me. The promoter go through him. So when him give me the key and me hotel, me see him coming there behind me. I try the lamp and give him a flat like you say. I say you think a little flat like a young girl, they say where you molest in a Toby's studio. Come scientist, come talk your truth. Somebody tag him for the lie. Since you say me I want dirty bitch and a lie, me I tell for you. I never do anything to me. And a lie, me I tell. Come and could talk. When we come to California for the first time to come to the show, come tell the people, you never come to me and tell that you hold me. I'm going to lick you with that lamp. I say, see, you think you can ramp with me like when me a pick me? I'm going to put you through my hotel door. I'm going to put you through my hotel door and tell the promoter, tell her don't come back. Nowhere near me. And the man who I said nothing. All them telling me still I cover up for you, scientists. Scientists, you try for more than once. You try for more than once, scientists. Scientists, you rip down my panty down to my knee and you feel me up. You feel me up. And you squeeze up my breast, them scientists. Nasty scientists. You did. It's just too many young I never know if you talk and I was ashamed and embarrassed of what people it all say. That's why the day on the man beat you with the board nice true that it's sweet because it did feel me up earlier. When the light gone on and the man beat you with the board, you know who beat you with the board, we did a laugh. Cause it did sweet me. Dirty nasty scientist. Dirty scientist. When me do the live, me never say you. Me just say Toby's true though. But you're guilty. You're guilty. You're guilty scientist. And I send me text message with Mandingo sent to you, whoever Mandingo is. Scientist, come with know that you have a chance. Come no scientist. Just like when I text me and a call me. Come on the live now, no scientist. Come talk your truth. Cause me I talk my truth, so you come talk your truth. Scientist, come talk your truth. Come talk, scientist. When you admit it Friday, you never know me record you. When you admit it Friday, me record you, know. Me record you, know, scientist. Scientist, come talk your truth now. Scientists are the engineer will mix some of the big bad tune them from. He must work at King Tubby's true that they same learn. And he move on from King Tubby's true to Channel 1. Scientists come talk now. Scientists come talk now. Scientists you say all them texts that you send me, me gonna give them to every blogger. And if me know who Mandingo is, me gonna send all them texts to Mandingo. Oh, you call me bitch. Boy, you call me bitch. Scientist, and you make me no breast. Cause me breast them they just a grow. Look here. Let me show the people them why me have to be a mariner. See there? Me no have no breast. Because them they just start to grow. And we ain't feel them and squeeze them hard. It's like, sit there? That's how we be a white mariner. The way I'm squeeze my breast them and feel them hard people. Them never grow. Them tunted. The way him feel up my breast. Them never grow the breast. Them stunted. Stunted. Me not no recording him a text message him send. Text message. The dirty boy molest me. When me a little pick me. Dirty nasty and brown aka scientist. Was one of the baddest engineer out of Jamaica. He pray upon me as a little girl. Pray upon me. Me could have gone advice from where I call me sang them in peace. He molest me like a young pum. Cause me never get a tun me did that. Me just a grow ear and them something there. He molest me young like a chunny. He molest it. With him finger. He never molest it with it. If me the fool him that molest it with it. Scientist, you molest me young pum. I'm a breast them. Scientists, you make me not a breast. You feel them so till them stunted. Them never grow again. So we have to talk about scientists. And when you feel up my pum, you smell it, you nasty, dirty ass, you. And talk about me smell good. Dirty, nasty scientists. Come on the live now. Come on the live, make me add you. Come talk your truth since I lie me I tell. Come the scientists, come talk your truth. Come the nasty scientists. You're for you. If me never turn up strong, you that me. And you know why you couldn't me? Because you did have the people in session for do. If you never have the people in session for do, you that probably get me. And then me that probably come in for come see where I go on. When Dan Mears used to carry me guys through them, Mr. Guys through them with John them and everybody scientists say molest me. Scientists, you molest me. So you come call me bitch. But me's a stupid bitch and why me never scream? Yes, I did scream. But you turn off the board. So Sammy J them and Michael Prophet them couldn't hear. Enough how to violate me, no. Jimmy Riley, that to save me one time too, you know. Enough thing me not talk, you know. When me 4 months pregnant, you know, I'm gonna make me forget collect me a award, you know. A light party call me for that show there, you know, and say it was an award show. When the show done, you know, me a walk for go got me hotel, you know. Man come for me, you know, me not go call them name, you know, me not call nobody name when me talk, you know. Time me 4 months pregnant and it now show, you know. And Jimmy Riley hear the scuffling, you know. And come and say, me can't do that, man. You know, say the woman pregnant and plus she one away. And Jimmy Riley have to escort me to me hotel, you know. And enough things on do me, you know. One hour you hate me, you know. Because I bend me over in a vicing room, you know. I'm defend myself, you know. Yo, enough things on do me, you know. Enough things on do me, you know. Show me no comfort. Got you me the little and shape good and sexy, you know. And no violate, you no violate me, you know. Me and Jimmy Riley soul rest in peace. Me and Jimmy Riley ever tell nobody secretly. Some top man come for me. Right after me collect me out and perform and I come down to walk at the hotel. Cause for the show they keep a Miami, the hotel they close. Me and Light Parks and we the people and go. Cause Lady call me for the show. And me step down and I go towards the hotel now cause me the pregnant, young pregnant time, me the sick. They done come for me. One piece of scuffling. And Jimmy Riley a pass and hear the scuffling. And come for me. And hold on for me and son, you can't do that to the little sister, man. She one away, man. And furthermore, no sister, she pregnant. And Jimmy Riley take me and carry me in my hotel room. So when I go on like me, I tell like pound no. Just so me take so long for talk these things. Me never know if to talk about it them time there. Cause me young and fool. Me not young and fool no more. So scientists, you have, before you call me, scientists if you call me and say, lady, and you know, so I'm sorry and I apologize. I would feel so good and proud of you. But when you call me a bitch, scientists say your mama, your sister, your daughter, them is a bitch. I say, what you do to me? Me now wish it happen back to your child, them. But remember, them ever say reaches me, reaches you. Yeah. You know, we're a big man and you pure with front of Spanish town road tell me one time when me little, when me about 13. You know, pure look at me and say him didn't know my father. And him say, what if I think your father do to people, you know? And I hope it not catch back to you. A man tell me that already, me little bit, you know. Me never know of the things that my father do. Me don't know him never tell me my father rape nobody or what. But one day pure look at me out of Spanish town road. Them tell the pure out of Spanish town road, Macaulay and Corner. And one day me go in there. And pure is know me. Never know say the man know me, I know my father so good. And one day him said to me, say, what if things your father do, you know? And I hope it not catch back him daughter them. Pure said that to me, you know. So maybe that was my punishment for whatever my father do. Me did have to suffer the consequence. Sanchez, you know me not tell a lie for you. Friday when you call me, when me upstate, when me carry me down to upstate to college, and you call me and you say, Ann, somebody send me a video. I said, no, that you on the phone. Am I lying? You said, no. Me not tell a lie, say you used to feel me up. But me say you rape me. I say, scientist, I never say you rape me. And you say, let me explain to you what rape is. I'm the man when me there said to me, say, hang up the phone, Panny. Come off of the phone. Because that's a temp rape. And me hang up on your scientist. Only if you call back today and to me hang up on you today. Scientist, I send me whole text and me a bitch. Scientist, me not deserve your molestation and no being called a bitch. Scientist, I'm not lying. Scientist, you said me only have 2 or 3 panty them time. You tear off them. And you feel me up, scientist. And you feel up my breast. You feel me up and smell it and say me smell good. You feel me up, scientist. And you make my breast them tunted. The way you feel them. And you are the only engineer who molest me, scientist. Barnabas teach me how to ride with him. And Barnabas make me can ride with him so good. When me a little pitney I got through the Barnabas teach me how to ride with him. And Barnabas response to me make me can ride with him so. I ride heavy with him. Barnabas teach me in a channel 1 studio. How to do that? And professor and the rest of you them teach me. You try me. You try for me, scientist. Scientist, when me do the live, me never call your name. But me I call it now. More everybody knows you. Scientist, more everybody knows you. I couldn't go in a Toby's vice room in peace. You squeeze my breast them till them hurt me. Cause them time when the breast them just a come, they look somewhere in it hard and it tough, and when somebody touch that it hurt bad. You make me on a breast. When me look at Bobby them I come out scientists to squeeze them. Very hard. And you fungal me. You touch me and my little young tun-tun. Them tell me a tun-tun or chun-chun. Me never have no kids yet nor anything. Me barely have ear down there. That's why it's easy for you to finger me. Cause I didn't have no woolly pa bush right now. Even though me a shave now.
Some people, you know the thing will upset me the most? Even when Lady Ann come out again and I address this, me see some dumb, dunce, idiotic people in the comment section about, well, why you just attack now? Why you not always ask that stupid question there? Why? It's like you tell a victim that they should never ever speak out if the incident where them address happened 20, 40, 50 years ago. That's what it seems like. It's a dumb question that, in my opinion. Viewers, watch here. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me hear what is your views on this situation. Zin, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.